In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sprout Social Listening in 2026, step by step. Sprout Social Listening helps you understand what people are saying about your brand, your competitors, and your industry so you can make smarter decisions and create content that actually resonates. We'll start at the very beginning and move all the way through analysis and optimization. Once you're in Sprout, head to the main menu and open the listening section. Click Create New Topic. A topic is simply the container for what you want to monitor. Think brand names, niche phrases, competitors, or hashtags. Give your topic a clear, memorable name so you and your team know exactly what it's tracking. Next, decide what you want to follow. Add your brand name, a few strategic keywords in your niche, any competitor names you care about, and relevant industry hashtags. Then load in keywords and short phrases that match how your audience actually talks. Include variations and common misspellings so you don't miss valuable conversations. For example, if you're tracking virtual assistant services, you might include VA services, virtual assistant help, and hire VA Philippines. Keep your list concise but representative. You can always expand later. Refine your filters to boost accuracy. Choose the language you want. English is a common starting point. If it's helpful, limit your results by country or region. Exclude any terms that pull in off-topic posts to reduce noise and keep your results clean. The goal here is signal over clutter, so spend a moment tightening what you don't want to see. Once your topic is live, open the listening dashboard. You'll see the volume of mentions, engagement trends over time, sentiment broken down into positive, neutral, and negative, and popular keywords that surface patterns. Watch for spikes. They often indicate breaking news or a trend you can quickly act on. Adjust the date range to compare recent activity with a longer baseline. Use what you find to spark content ideas, frequently asked questions, recurring pain points, and trending conversations are gold for social posts. Turn them into reels, TikToks, or carousel posts and speak in the same language your audience uses to increase relevance and engagement. Don't just observe, engage. Jump into threads where your tracked keywords appear, answer questions, and be genuinely helpful. This steady, value-first approach builds relationships and attracts clients without hard selling. Keep an eye on competitors by adding their names as topics. See what people praise or criticize, identify service gaps, and refine your positioning accordingly. If you've launched a campaign, monitor branded hashtags and mentions to gauge audience response and sentiment. This shows what's working and what to adjust. Finally, review weekly, remove irrelevant keywords, add new trending phrases, and refine filters. Listening isn't set and forget. It steadily improves as you tune it.